Hello. Today I'm at Kirby Commercials on the All Sister Road up Portway. Now I'm showing you a lovely rare Skoda Felicia pickup truck. This is from 1997 and it's 1.3 litre petrol. So it's cheap to run for a commercial vehicle. The body shape is similar to the VW CADDY, but they have some different features. This is the key, but you only really need the key for one thing. Now, you'd think, as you get in, it's not very luxurious. However, just put the key in the ignition and pickup start. Now, it's not actually voice control, but the key is still in the same place. The way to start the car or pickup is actually through this. And you can see without the key even in the ignition, it starts. Now anyway, it's a 5-speed manual. And it's comfortable to hold because of the golf club like shape. It's a 4-spoke wheel, which again is nice to hold with different grips at the back. Bit of shakiness. There's lots of different storage space inside, as well as behind. And a handy glove box. Now it has a stereo. However, it isn't a multifunctional steering wheel, so you do have to do it with your hands. A really good bit of Arctic Monkeys. It has wind-up windows, and I'll show you the exterior and the storage space. It's in a nice white, with a bit of tender loving care. You could get this looking really nice. Now, entry into the back, you just have to push this down and pull it back. It's low to the ground, so it's easy to load heavy items. However, unfortunately, this isn't the longest storage space, so they couldn't afford to be too long. Sam Reed. But overall, it's a nice, rare pickup, which is cheap to run and very useful within prisons. And that's it for today. If you like this video, would like to see some more of our stock, press like, leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.